Chicago. It'll be a quick trip for me. I'm only there for 2 days. We've all got an Airbnb. Here we go.
A few moments later.
Alright, getting on the airport shuttle, headed to the Jacksonville airport. So one of my favorite things about Florida in general is the catering to the population here. And especially in the Jacksonville airport, there's a whole section of rocking chairs.
Later.
We made it to Chicago. Chicago! Meet up with Eric, Lindsay, and Donnie. Yo, Eric, should I meet you up at the Airbnb, or are you guys downtown? Alright, sounds good, man. Will do. Bye. Alright, so I just talked to Eric and Lindsay. I am going to find some food and meet them at the Airbnb in a little bit. Chicago O'Hare. It's Chicago. It's a major hub, especially for United, I believe. Drinks at the bar. Now I'm about to grab a taxi and head over to the Airbnb. Thank you. Now time to actually find this Airbnb. Look at all the brick though. Alright, so just got to the Airbnb. This place is pretty rad. It's like the underground basement. We got the floor level over here. Someone decided to pick up a pineapple. Look at these houses with the little front yards and the tree and the... Look. Well, I think we've literally come to a crossroads. We've got a music store, we've got a bakery, we've got a tap room, bar, then there's like a strip mall. So we found a music store, and they've got AC/DC and Metallica and Kiss on there. I'm gonna go in the music store. Thanks, guys. You guys got a cool shop here. Alright, hit up the music store. About to go check out this tap bar and grill. Do some day drinking. We were gonna go all the way downtown and back, but we had a late start today and decided to kind of check out the more suburban part of Chicago. Chicago! Have you guys seen how poofy these clouds are? Oh, someone got a mule and a fancy drink. Chicago!
Shish kebab.
God, double fisted. Double fisted. Yeah, Chicago.
Shawshank Redemption.
Gonna go to the convenience store, get some snack type stuff, maybe a mixer for all the drinks we're gonna drink tonight.
I'm gonna leave you guys
You're leaving us?
Invited to something at 4:30.
What's at 4:30?
I don't know. All it says is something special.
Don, Eric just got invited to something dope. So you gotta go to the venue at 3:30 or 4:30?
You gotta be there at 4:30.
Dope. Donnie and I are going to get hammered. Hammered. Also got a deck of cards. We'll see how that plays out. Get it? Plays out.
Several bad puns later.
Oh, this is our Uber. Get into Uber. Do it now. I'm taking an Uber. Get it in this side there. Thank you. Oh. We did our errands. We got the things. Gonna do some pre-gaming.
Chicago! You're out of there! Go on. You're gone. Go on.
What the hell? How'd you do?
It's because it's a brand new deck. Let me go get at it again.
Is that Tom's forehead right there?
It's Tom's forehead. Yo, don't hate.
I'm pretty sure I couldn't see anything happening when that was
Tom's
when that-
fucking forehead. There's Eric. There's my poster. I'm falling into spider webs. Leave a message and I'll call you back.
That's terrible.
That's no doubt terrible.
Sorry, I'm not home right now. I'm walking in the spider web and leave a message and I'll call you back.
Played a bunch of cards, talked to Kellen on the phone, pre-gaming. Eric and Lindsay already went to the venue to do something special with Day Snacker, but we're getting ready to go tonight.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, I've got Easter dinner to go to tonight. Yeah.
Are you gonna bring a ham?
No. Bye, friends. I will. Be safe. Be well. And just like that, it's all done. We've got the Uber waiting for me right here. We're going back to Jacksonville. Oh man, that was way too quick of a trip. Now trying to find boarding gate number B6.
Three hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Want to know how I know we're back in Florida? Seafoam green golf carts that are advertised as street legal. There are a few things that need to change before I go outside. And we're back. Richter. Alright, time to catch the parking lot shuttle. And we're actually headed to Aunt Sally's house for Easter Sunday dinner.
Here we are, my friend.
The STI? Yes. Those ones are the fancy ones. Those go fast.
That one is pretty cool.
Yeah. Just this. Thank you so much, sir.